We have covered the red team attack, using silence to pressure people. We have covered the blue team defense, using mental shields to block manipulation. Now we enter the domain of the yellow team. In code, the yellow team builds the architecture. In psychology, the yellow strategy builds a trap. The most dangerous person in the room is not the one who knows everything and shows it. It is the one who knows everything but pretends to know nothing. This is known as strategic incompetence, or sometimes the Columbo Method, named after the famous TV detective who acted confused to catch criminals. Why is this the yellow strategy? Because it works like a yellow traffic light. It signals caution to your brain, but to the other person it signals, go ahead. It invites them to speed up, to get careless, and eventually to crash. Here is how it works. When you are dealing with a manipulator, a liar, or an arrogant opponent, your ego wants to prove them wrong immediately. You want to shout, I know you are lying. But that is a red team move. It creates conflict. The yellow move is to lower your status intentionally. You make yourself appear harmless, confused, or slightly slower than them. You ask questions like, I'm sorry, I'm a bit slow with this stuff. Could you explain that timeline to me one more time? Or, I'm probably missing something obvious, but how exactly does X connect to Y? This triggers a massive psychological vulnerability in your opponent. Arrogance. When people think they are smarter than you, they drop their guard. They stop filtering their words because they don't see you as a threat. They think, this person is clueless, I can spin any story I want. And that is when they make mistakes. They start over-explaining, they give you details you didn't even ask for. They construct a web of lies so complex that they eventually trip over it. While they are busy educating you, you are doing the work of an intelligence analyst. You are collecting data points. You are spotting the contradictions in their story. You are letting them dig their own grave, shovel by shovel. This is a favorite technique of social engineers. A hacker doesn't walk into a building and say, give me your passwords. They walk in holding a cup of coffee, looking confused, and say, hey, I'm the new guy and I can't figure out how to work this badge reader. Can you help me? And the nice employee, feeling superior and helpful, lets them right in. To master the yellow strategy, you must kill your ego. You have to be okay with looking dumb in the short term to win the long game. You have to let them feel like they are in control, while you are actually the one steering the ship. The red team breaks in, the blue team locks the door. But the yellow team smiles, opens the door for you, and lets you walk right into the trap they built. Now you understand the architecture of deception. You know how to play the fool to catch the master, but we aren't done yet. We have covered offense, defense, and construction. The final piece of the puzzle combines them all. If you want to complete your training, hit that subscribe button. The next briefing will tie everything together. Don't just build the system, master it.